Your blinker doing one of these? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'm going to be replacing the front blinker on my 2012 Ram 1500. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take out this screw right here to release this flap on your wheel well. Next, pop your hood. Next, you need to push up on this white tab here, and that will release your headlight from the bracket. Next, you're going to have a bolt here, and you're going to have a bolt down there. After removing the headlight, you can twist the blinker housing to release it. Now you can access the bulb and remove it. So when you go to the auto parts store, you're going to want to pick up these 3157 bulbs. Replace the bulb and reinstall the housing. Now test it to make sure it works. Now pop your headlight back into place. You may need to wiggle the bracket behind the fender liner for it to line up. Now it's time to reinstall your bolts. An easy way to get this bolt down here is to put a magnet on your socket like that, put the bolt in, and then you can feed it down through here without dropping it. Now reinstall your top bolt. Now pop this clip back into place by pulling it down. Now reinstall your screw. And you're all done. If you guys found that helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.